Hi there, YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, yet FX GK Millionaire. On today's video, guys, I'm just gonna do another market insight video for you guys, so you guys can understand what I can see on the Voltage 75 market insight. So, what we could have seen previously on the Voltage 75 index, we have a pretty good massive run here for at least 1, 2, 3, 4 days to the upside. So what we could have noticed right now, guys, is that price basically starting to create this beautiful head and shoulders. Guys could see right here, this is the most common reversal pattern in the voltage 75 market index. So what I will wait for right now, guys, is that wait for a 1 hour candle at least to close under this previous area of support, right? For a close under on a 1 hour time frame to close under this region, wait for retracement, and then take price all the way to the downside. That is basically what I will most likely would do in this price scenario. And where will we target? I will target this previous area of support, because right, this is my overall swing high, and this is my new form of a high. So if we just use that, guys, and scale into a more bigger time frame, like our daily time frame. So what we could have seen right now on the voltage 75 market is that we are basically now trading at the area of a volatility. We are basically now trading at a volatility zone, right? And this is a volatility zone of resistance. We can see previously price run from this area, previously price close above and then spike up, right? Previously price respect as a support and then continue to the upside here previously as well. So we can see this is an area with more than two bounces. So what I would really love to do right now, guys, is just to wait for price to show me more information, at least on my 1 hour time frame, right? The 1 hour time frame plays a really good role for me, just to give me the intraday trend of what price is basically doing. So if price starting to trade above this area, guys, around this 8136648 region, most likely I will take price either further to the upside. But if we just come take a glance at our 30 minutes time frame, we can see that this beautiful double bottom, that price is basically creating a beautiful W formation as well on our 30 minutes time frame. So what does that basically tell me? That okay, we have potential still to take price to the upside, but my 1 hour head and shoulders look more prone to me, right? We can already see price basically come into this zone right here, and there we can see price starting to reject this area. So what I will wait for, guys, only if price can close under this region, close with a 1 hour candle, wait for price to retrace back to this area, and then take price either further to the downside, at least to this previous region here at 766224, because right, we can basically now see that price is basically exhausting. So if we just build up more confluence, guys, and just take a look at our our RSI, we can see that price basically starting to create a divergency here all along. Price was creating higher highs, and here we can already see price creating lower highs, right? So that's already a sign for divergency on the voltage 75 market insight. So I will wait for price to come now to the downside, close under our area. It's important if that price close under it, right? Don't try to take a trade once price is still basically in the process for continuation to the downside. Don't do that. Price will just spike and reverse on you, because right, the market is really volatile, guys. So that is why it's the best to wait for proper confirmation before you execute on any trading position, right? So here's another example. As you guys can see right now on our 50 minutes time frame, price is basically starting to build up building up right here, with after this beautiful double uh double top here on our 50 minute. We can see we have this impulse down. So now, guys, I'm only expecting price to come to the downside, but if price still decided to continue to the upside, let price go, because why, we only trade what the trend is telling us. But what we can basically do now is just to build confluence up, guys, right? To see our 1 hour time frame is basically starting to create this in head and shoulders, and on a 15 minute, on our 30 minutes time frame is a potential double bottom as well, right? So you guys can see this W on a 50-minute. We can most likely continue to the upside. We can see our W's right here. We can see a W just up here, right? Our W's is our most common reversal patterns, guys. Right here, right here, right here, right? So that is what I can see. There's still a high probability for price to do that as well. But guys, I'm just gonna monitor it on my 1 hour time frame, see what price is basically starting to do. We're trading still above my 1 hour trend line and also my 4 hour trend line. As you guys can see, a beautiful impulsive move to the upside. We are trading now at resistance, so now it's all up to price to tell us what price basically wants to do, gang. So we can see on our 5 minute price is basically rapid now to the upside. So the best is just to wait and be patient. You guys could have taken advantage of this beautiful confirmation. As you guys could see, here was a setup, right? There was a setup. There was a setup, right? So there was setups to take continuation buys, because why, right? If you just look at 15 minutes right now, we have a beautiful double bottom right here, right? Confirmation for continuation to the upside, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. If you got value from this video, please let me know in the comments down below. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire with another video. And guys, I'm currently working on that $5 to $2,000, guys. I'm working on that series. It's coming out soon. And yeah, it's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.